Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. In today's video, I'm showing y'all how I got this real cute cherry red color. I was going for a burgundy, but I didn't use enough black in my dye, but yeah, it still came out really cute. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig before dyeing it. It's just a 613 unit that I made using two 18-inch bundles, a little bit of the 16-inch bundle, and a 14-inch frontal. Okay, y'all, so I'm using regular hot tap water as I always do. And I'm going to be using 2 bottles of the Adore Intense Red. And then I also have a bottle of the Adore Jet Black. Like I said, I was really going for a burgundy color, so I should have used more black. But y'all will see how I do it. So I actually used a whole bottle of this Intense Red and like a little bit of the black. So next time, if you're going to try to go for a burgundy color, I would suggest, if you're going to use like a full bottle of red, to do like a half a bottle at least of black. So yeah. Okay, so I'm actually going to take my wig over to the sink and get it wet. If you watch my other video when I did that ginger colored wig, it was my first time trying this method out, but it works really good, y'all. It just going in with the hair wet versus dry, it just helps for the color to get throughout all the hair better. So I definitely recommend this method. Yeah, so I went and poured that water out and got some fresh water from my second go round. I actually used more black this time, because keep in mind, I was going for a burgundy color. So yeah, I only did my wig in there once, because after I did it, I was just like, ooh, that's too dark. But when the hair is wet, it looks darker than it's actually going to be once you like get to blow drying the hair and stuff like that. So if you're gonna go for the burgundy, go ahead and use more black, and don't be scared if it looks too dark, because it's gonna be a little lighter once you blow dry it. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm going ahead and conditioning my wig. Normally, I don't do this step. Like, sometimes I will, sometimes I won't, but I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and style the wig anyway, so you might as well go ahead and put the extra moisture back into the wig. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so these are the final results of the wig. It was so cute, y'all, but give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if this video helped you out, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.